It's out of my price range.
It's a little pricey.
I can't afford it right now. I wish I had the money for that.
Hey, future permanent jewelry artist. We see you, we hear you, and we've listened. You know, ever since I started Linked back in 2022, it was more than just about jewelry. It was about being able to start your own business, build a legacy for yourself, gain that financial independence that comes with, having a successful business. And that's what Linked is about, providing that opportunity for so many of you, just like we have for over 3,000 students already. But there's one main issue. I've heard so many times, Jake, I can't afford it. It's too much financially. And I listened. So I've been working night and day to come up with a package that is the most affordable permanent jewelry package in the whole industry. It's the most affordable way to get started. And that's why I'm excited to announce the Linked Luxe Machine. The Linked Luxe Machine is an upgraded version of a machine we had for the first 2 years. This has helped over 1,000 people get started already. It's tried and true. It's a proven machine loved by permanent jewelry artists across the world. But we've made it sleeker, we've made it better, and we've made it streamlined and easier to use. And so not only are you getting the full Linked premium experience, the community, the support, and everything else that's included in our other packages, but now it's more affordable than ever. All right, who's excited to see it? Take a look for yourself. The Linked Luxe Machine is easy to use, it's portable for events, and it's also backed by our Linked warranty for up to 6 months. And so this is a great, safe way for you to get started so that you can build your dream business and really start growing. We're so excited to see how many lives this is going to transform, and I truly think this is going to shake up the industry in an amazing way. Your dream business is waiting for you. Your future customers are waiting for you. Your financial freedom is waiting for you. The only question is, how long will you make them wait? Get started with Linked today.